see, most of the digital paper that you see is essentially just some type of repeating pattern, whether it's with objects, textures, whatever. What we'll do is first give the AI some type of descriptive prompt such as this, but making sure to add in the word seamless pattern at the end. And when we do that, the AI will generate some pretty incredible patterns. Now, if that doesn't shock you, what will shock you is how simple these invitations are to create with AI. Back on Midjourney now, what I'm gonna do is ask the AI to create a wedding invitation template, and the results that it gives me are truly extraordinary. Now, I've talked about selling this product in different videos in the past, but because AI has gotten so powerful, we can now use AI to make selling this product that much easier. And these mockups are insanely easy to create using AI. I'm gonna ask Midjourney to create a simple mockup of a picture frame on a white background, and these are the types of results that it gives us. And then if we take one of these mockups over to, now I want the AI to create coloring pages for me like this. And so for this product, the only thing you're doing is just coming up with different prompts to give to the AI to then create the pages for you.